Is there a limit on ACH transfers with Relay? Hook. Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to transfer money quickly but couldn't because of a limit on your bank account? If so, you're not alone. Many people are unaware of the limits that banks place on ACH transfers. In this video, we're going to answer the question, is there a limit on ACH transfers with Relay? Context. Before we get into the answer, let's take a quick look at what ACH transfers are. ACH stands for Automated Clearing House. It's a system that allows banks to electronically transfer money between accounts. ACH transfers are typically used for things like direct deposit, payroll, and bill payments. Relay is a fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including ACH transfers. Relay is a great option for people who need to transfer money quickly and easily. Answer. The answer to the question, is there a limit on ACH transfers with Relay, is yes and no. The limit on ACH transfers with Relay depends on the type of account you have. Personal accounts, there is no limit on ACH transfers for personal accounts. You can transfer as much money as you want, as long as the funds are available in your account. Business accounts, there is a limit on ACH transfers for business accounts. The limit is $10,000 per day. Additional information. In addition to the daily limit, there is also a weekly limit of $25,000 on ACH transfers for business accounts. Relay also has a limit on the number of ACH transfers that you can make in a day. The limit is 25 transfers. If you need to transfer more than $10,000 in a day, you can contact Relay customer support. Conclusion. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions about ACH transfers with Relay, please feel free to leave a comment below. Call to action. If you're looking for a reliable and easy way to transfer money, I encourage you to check out Relay. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time. Additional tips. Use a strong password for your Relay account. Be careful when sharing your Relay account information with others. Monitor your Relay account activity regularly. If you see any suspicious activity, contact Relay customer support immediately. I hope this script is helpful.